Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade IC Markets demo account. To get started, head to the Secure Client Area Home Dashboard. This is the main control panel where you can access your account tools and platform options. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Downloads. This section is where IC Markets provides access to its trading platforms and related tools. After the Downloads page opens, find and click on WebTrader. WebTrader is the browser-based version of the platform, which means you can access it without downloading or installing software on your computer. This makes it a convenient choice if you want to quickly practice trading on a demo account. Next, click on Open WebTrader. This will launch the web-based trading terminal so you can move into the actual trading environment. Depending on your browser, it may take a few moments to load, so give it a second if the page does not appear immediately. Once the WebTrader screen is open, locate the server drop-down menu that shows the available platform connection. Click on the IC Markets MT5 drop-down. From the available options, choose the demo server. This is an important part of the process because selecting the demo environment ensures that you are practicing with virtual funds rather than placing trades in a live account. After selecting demo, click Continue to MT5. This takes you into the MetaTrader 5 web platform connected to the demo environment. At this point, you should be able to see the trading interface, including market watch areas, price charts, and trade controls. If the layout feels busy at first, that's completely normal. Focus on the main areas you need for this walkthrough. Now select a sample symbol. A symbol is simply the market instrument you want to practice trading, such as a currency pair, index, commodity, or another available asset. Choosing a sample symbol lets you open a practice trade and become familiar with how order placement works. Finally, when you are ready to place the trade, click Buy or Sell. Buy is used if you expect the market price to go up, while Sell is used if you expect the market price to go down. Since this is a demo account, this is a great opportunity to test how trades are executed and see how the platform responds without risking real money. That's it. You've now opened IC Markets WebTrader, connected to the demo server, selected a symbol, and placed a practice trade. Take your time exploring the platform and using the demo environment to build confidence before moving on to live trading.